Welcome to the channel, guys. We have a special NFT project to talk about today. It is called Advent Robot. Advent Robot is a very unique NFT that is coming out, and I'm going to go in great detail. I'm going to give you the breakdown of what this NFT is about, the roadmap, the people behind it, and obviously how you can buy it. Looking at the elements, the way it has been created is very unique. There's a lot of soul that's gone into it. There's a lot of creativity that's gone into developing this absolutely brilliant looking NFT. And this is created from VFX artists who have worked on Avatars, Avengers, and with Stan Lee himself. A continent-destroying meteor hits the United States and brings with it vicious alien hordes. And this is the element, and obviously, as you can clearly see the way it's been developed, you have people who have been working on Avengers and Avatar, and working with Stan Lee, who's the biggest name in the comic industries. And there's a lot of soul that's gone into creating this absolutely brilliant NFT. And the roadmap, which I feel is one of the most concise roadmaps that I've come across till now. Before the beginning, the community awareness is a priority, they say, and they're building a strong community, focusing resources on targeting marketing through Twitter and Instagram to grow their Discord organically. And I personally feel that any Discord that grows organically has done it right. They've developed their community, they've developed their members and their users in such a manner that they're actually affiliated with them. They understand what the project is about, they understand the scalability of the project, and that is why a project becomes successful. And to build more hype within the community, they're constantly holding contests on trivia, giving a chance for the community members to win exclusive merchandise and whitelist spots on Ethereum and so many other things. There are different contents based on fan art, memes, Discord members brought retweets and follows. And obviously there is the beginning with the white sale happening with 7,777 Advent robots that will be available for the whitelist members only. On the whitelist sale, they'll be priced at 0.25 Ethereum, and the whitelist spots will have the opportunity to mint 2 Advent robots. And the first charity donations was decided upon by the community. So you can clearly see there is a lot of community-led decisions that are being made. And I personally feel, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I am doing these videos for a very long time. You can check other reviews of other NFTs, successful NFTs that I've done on my channel, The Educational Network. And I feel that whenever a project brings the charity donation element within it, it creates a social responsibility. It creates an awareness for a problem in society, and I feel that really enhances people's affiliation to it. And funding of the Advent Robot franchise has also been done, and funding of the community wallet more than 5 Ethereum, and obviously a 30 is going to go up to a 33 Ethereum. That's a suggestion. And the wallet is going to be used to continue contests and giveaways and investing into cryptos and NFT for the community. So there's a 5% royalties as well that'll be used to continue to fund the wallet. And after the beginning, the public sale, there's going to be 3,333 Advent robots that's going to be sold at the price of 0.3 Ethereum. Delisting contents will begin to drive the price up during the secondary sales and funding of the Advent DAO, and all members at MC will have a fair chance to vote on decisions concerning the investments of the community wallet, as well as a vote on decisions related to building the franchise. They can start development of the Advent Robot TV series with A-list actors, video games, and metaverse. So clearly they have a plan laid out. They understand what they want to do, how they want to do it, and how to actually scale this project to new heights. And I feel having that element and bringing it together in this manner actually makes it a successful project. And obviously with the release of the NFT featuring allowing holders to use their Advent in the metaverse as an avatar, and release of the trailer for the live action series and video games, and raising the funding through investors to continue growing the franchise. So obviously they have a system, the plan in place, and having a roadmap that is so clearly displaying what they want to do and how they want to do it gives an individual the chance to understand and actually appreciate what needs to be done, and this project has done it beautifully. With the downfall, with the release of the play to earn video games, all the NFTs will be able to be used as avatars, and if the user does not own an NFT, they'll be given a basic avatar with a possibility of upgrading. So the element of actually using that NFT and having a utility where you can actually get a return on that investment, get a return on the NFT, gives you a chance to actually be in a position to use your NFT in multiple ways. Any successful project understands this elements, and it creates this elements in a way to give its users a chance to earn multiple passive incomes. And there's going to be more ideas on the franchise, and the community is going to grow. But the most important thing is they're taking the community on board. They're taking the decisions, the elements of the community on board, and they're giving a chance to individuals to actually understand and be connected with the projects. Moving forward, we're going to check out who the individuals are. And I personally feel that if you look at a successful project, either it be the Bored Ape Yacht Club, either it be Meta Avatars, either it be Batman Cole, either it be Invisible Friends, all of these massive names in the industries that have really created a impact on the NFT space. They have a team that works behind it, a team that understands how a system needs to be built, how a system needs to be executed, how that strategy needs to be implemented, and combining all these elements and creating an environment for individuals to develop those strategies, for developers to develop an element and bring it to the market, gives a chance for it to be scaled. From Cameron, from Lee, German, from Nacho, the marketing head, the NFT project managers, the head moderators, the developers, the managers, this group of people, this team has got the experience. They understand the NFT space. They have been in the NFT space for a very long time. They are connected with successful NFTs, and combining different expertise and bringing them under one roof and scaling a project of this nature, they're creating a recipe for success. And I personally feel that is one of the reasons this particular NFT is gonna be massive. So guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Moving forward, there's a series that's coming out as well on television, and there is a video game. So there is a full project that they have developed, a full system that they've developed. They're looking at how exactly they'll be doing things. And they say for the television series for Advent, you will see a rise of artificial intelligence to save humanities. Robots and humans will fight together to save our post-apocalyptic planet from the invasions of a powerful alien horde. Here are some of the key pieces of the series. And then you have your video games. In the television series, they say the robots realize that the humans need to be able to fight. Therefore, they create a holographic training arena. And this is our video game which starts our metaverse, and we will train and fight just as the characters on the television show do. And the security token and the utilities are already underway, and I feel that they have actually done it in a very beautiful manner. You can check the video out. I'm going to put the link of adventrobot.com in the description below on my channel, The Educational Network. You can go over there and check it out. If you have any comments whatsoever, guys, you can always drop me a message on WhatsApp, and you can find my WhatsApp number in the About Us section of my channel, The Education Network, or you can drop me a comment in the comment section below on YouTube or on Facebook. I will definitely reply back to you. Stay tuned for more videos. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.